Welcome to CJY Money Entertainments, and today we are unboxing PS4 back button attachment for the controller. It comes with a warranty card, how to get a gift card from Amazon and a code, and it comes with instructions. The instructions are helpful on programming the back buttons specifically to your controller. The purpose of this is so you can program any button to this adapter for faster operation on playing fighting games, shooting games. Here's my controller. Instead of using these buttons here, you're able to get ahead and work them in the back. Now, this is what this is right here. And this plugs into the back of here. Okay, you plug this in right here where the headphone set is. You just plug it in here. Okay, and now this will be for your headphone, and this is now your trigger buttons. What I noticed when playing, it doesn't work well with this case cover on. It needs to be removed. Okay, time to program the controller. Turn on your controller. And once you turn on your controller, then you hit this round button back here. And this will give a display here. And what this is doing is programming your trigger buttons in the back. So if I hit this trigger button, it'll change to let me know that this will be replaced by my L2, which if you play, you know your L2 is over here. If you hit this trigger button, then it'll tell you that will replace it by either L2, R2, L3, R3, and this is how you program it. It also could program to do these buttons. So whatever you want to hit, let's say the X if it's a shooting, then you can get ahead and program this trigger to be the X button just by pressing the trigger to program this. And then instead of you reaching up here to shoot, you just hit it here to shoot. So you can program these to be any of these buttons here, including the press down L3 or R3 button. And that's how you set it up. Easy peasy. Now, if you notice, I don't have my skin on because it needs to be flushed up against the controller, so when you hit the controller, it doesn't shift and move. So I recommend that you don't have a cover on your controller. Okay, this is a cheap version of the PS4 controller. So these are a non-name brand, and I want to see if this will fit on this type as well. And you plug this into here, and you make sure that these connect right here, and it just pushes in. With the generic controllers, this moves too much, so it's not really good for the generic. I would use a Sony controller for this attachment because it shouldn't move like this. It needs to be flushed up again because it won't be able to stay programmed because it's moving too much. This extender works great on Fortnite, Call of Duty, or any shooting game or a game that's fast paced. If you're interested in purchasing one, check out my link in my description below this video. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.